This is the Gozney Roccbox. So the manual says to let that burn on the lowest heat setting for 30 minutes. Once that 30 minutes is up, crank it full blast for about 15 minutes, and then we're ready to start rocking pizzas. I went with the Gozney Roccbox for a few reasons. One, it's built like a tank. This thing is sturdy as fuck. Two, it looks super dope. It looks like something straight out of Fallout. I love how it has the rubber skin on it. I tend to lean my elbows on things and I get burned all the time. You can just keep your hand on this thing. You're not gonna accidentally sizzle yourself. I've seen reviews of people who've had this thing for 4 years and they have not one complaint during that entire time. So now that we got this all set up, let's do our first pie. Let's check out my first slice. Hell yeah. I'll probably start doing pizza Fridays. My buddy Heat Strokes Barbecue, he's the pizza wizard. He does a pizza Friday thing, so I think I'm gonna start doing that too. Thanks for tuning in. Hit like, hit subscribe. Go check out Roccbox.